Model, 65-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI 125PS 350 L2H2 front-wheel drive, spares OR repairs Grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 120088. MOT, 8 November 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect, runs fine. Engine is misfiring a lot and shaking very badly, will need repairing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, very well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.